Hi friends! I just wanted to put together a short video to keep you up to date on what's going on for the month of November. We've had an inspiring month in October with the launch of the website, the installation of our first exhibit at Rum 138 in Fort White, and I've been busy finishing up 2 new collections of watercolor paintings. Starting today, if you visit curtiswhitwam.org, you'll be able to view the new Springs and Underwater series of paintings where you'll find originals and fine art quality prints available. Additionally, we will continue to donate a percentage of every sale to the Florida Springs Institute to support their mission to protect Florida's springs and aquifer. My vision is to create artwork that inspires you to love, protect, and respect our wild places. I love you guys and I appreciate all of your support. Until next time, stay inspired.